How to recover deleted data from iPhone in various scenarios. Okay, the following will show you the answer to your satisfaction. Part 1. Recover deleted data from iPhone's recently deleted album. Open iPhone's Photos app. Go to Albums, Recently Deleted. Preview deleted photos. Check desired items. Tap Select, choose Photos, tap Recover. Part 2. Restore iPhone data from iCloud Backup. Access iPhone settings. Navigate to General, Reset. Erase all content and settings. Enter passcode, confirm. After restart, reach, set up your iPhone. Tap Restore from iCloud Backup. Sign in with iCloud Apple ID. Select Latest Backup. Part 3. Recover deleted data from iOS device via iTunes Backup. Launch iTunes. Connect iOS device via USB. Click device icon when recognized. Tap Summary, Restore Backup. In Backups, pick Backup with deleted files. Wait for restoration. Part 4. Recover deleted data from iPhone via Doctor for iOS. If you didn't make a backup of your iPhone before your required items were deleted, remember to utilize a professional tool like Mobican Doctor for iOS to recover data from your device directly. Easy steps for how to recover deleted data from iPhone with Doctor for iOS. Step 1. Download and install the tool on your computer. Run it. Step 2. Pick Recover from iOS device. Connect iPhone via USB. Tool identifies device. Select data. Click Start Scan. Step 3. Program scan selected items on your iDevice. Later, check deleted files on right column. Step 4. Select desired items. Click Recover to computer at bottom right. Save selected items on this computer.